Welcome to my channel. Link is given in the description of the video. Press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel, please. My name is Saad and I will tell you further about digital marketing. Positioning customers' perception of the product and brand offering relative to those of competitors. Key features of digital marketing strategy. Be aligned with business and marketing strategy. For example, many companies use a rolling 3-year plan and vision, with more specific annual business priorities and initiatives. Use clear objectives for business and brand development and the online contribution of leads and sales for the internet or other digital channels. These should be based on models of the number using the channels. Be consistent with the types of customers who use and can be effectively reached through the channel. Define a compelling, differential value proposition for the channel which must be effectively communicated to. Benefits of digital marketing. Identifying the internet can be used for marketing research to find out customers' needs and wants. Anticipating the internet provides an additional channel by which customers can access information and make purchases. Evaluating this demand is key to governing resource allocation to e-marketing, as explained in chapters 2, 3, and 4. Satisfying a key success factor in e-marketing is achieving customer satisfaction through the electronic channel, which raises issues such as, is the site easy to use? Does it perform adequately? What is the standard of associated customer service and how are physical products dispatched? Thank you for watching the video. I request you to please press the bell icon and subscribe.